know many people are having trouble with resetting their TP-Link TL-WR1043ND router? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Locate Reset button. Find their Set, or ST, button at the back of your TP-Link TL-WR1043ND router. Step 2. Press and hold button. Hold a paperclip or another small tool and use it to press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. Step 3. Observe router's lights. Observe the router's lights that start to flash while you're still pressing the reset button. Step 4. Release reset button. Release the reset button and patiently wait for your router to restart itself. Step 5. Check router status. Check if the router is successfully restored to the factory settings once it completes the reboot cycle. Step 6. Configure your router. You're now set to configure your router, modify its settings according to your preferences. Great job! Now you know how to reset your TP-Link TL-WR1043ND router. You can set it up again according to your needs. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other TP-Link users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.